Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Trello for Workspace access with 2FA easy tutorial step by step clearly. To authenticate with Trello for Workspace access using two-factor authentication, begin by navigating to the Trello website. Log into your Trello account with your username and password. If you have not yet enabled two-factor authentication, go to your account settings. Look for the security section and find the option for two-factor authentication. Follow the on-screen prompts to enable two-factor authentication. You will need to select a method for receiving verification codes. Choose between using a mobile authenticator app or receiving codes via SMS. If you select an authenticator app, download one if you don't already have it. Open the authenticator app and scan the QR code displayed on the Trello setup page. Once the QR code is scanned, the app will generate a verification code. Enter this code back into the Trello setup page to complete the verification. Next, Trello will prompt you to save your recovery codes. Store these recovery codes in a secure location, as they are essential for account recovery. After setting up two-factor authentication, log out of your Trello account. Return to the Trello login page and enter your credentials again. When prompted, open your authenticator app. Retrieve the current verification code and enter it into the Trello login screen. Once you enter the code, click the Login button to gain access to your workspace. Congratulations, you have successfully authenticated with Trello using two-factor authentication. Enjoy enhanced security for your Trello workspace. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.